killer move.
Yeah.
What are we missing here?
Probably a queen.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sam. We didn't know we were missing a
Yeah,
point.
that looks better. Yeah. She's dressed up. She looked like she just came out the streets.
Are you still in for the Popeyes thing?
Oh, the macaroni and cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We could just go down there and eat if you want to go.
Yeah. Oh, hold on.
We don't have as much time today as we had yesterday.
Okay. No, man, I want. Oh, okay. D6. D6. Yeah.
The number there.
Okay. Knight D7. No, Queen A5, right? Castle. Knight D7.
Sam, can you please answer my question about castling?
H5.
Sam,
What?
about castling?
What?
No, I'm being serious. Why didn't you castle? Because he's a weaker player, or
Man.
no? I'm being serious. Like, if you played the master, would you have castled?
Nate, would you stop it, man?
No, I'm being serious. If he was a higher rated player, would you have castled?
No,
Okay,
probably not.
all right.
Don't quote me on
But
that. H5.
how many styles?
Yeah. And you play Bishop G5.
Not yet. I could be
Like I was gonna let you. Okay, H5. And then you played Bishop G5.
No, you played after you played H4. I played this.
I mean H4. That's what I meant. Okay, pawn takes. And you said my king is open for service.
Something's wrong. But you after that, you did that.
And you played F5.
F4.
F4. I mean.
F4.
Yeah. Knight.
Here.
Yeah.
I pushed.
You push. Yeah.
You took the rook. I took the knight back.
Now, why was it a bad move, Sam?
Huh?
You said it was a bad move. Why?
Because I allowed him to.
Counterplay.
Yeah. Knight G4. Knight G4. And then D6. I give him a 2-point hit here. I get him a hit on my rook. That's why it's a bad play.
So
And I came here.
Yeah, that was
I should have come here.
that was weak. So
I came here. He checked me. Now let's go through the game this time, okay?
Okay.
Stepped over, pawn take, check. Okay, keep going.
see that now I wasn't supposed to promote him. I wasn't supposed to promote him.
Okay, post-mortem man. Move the pawn in.
With like
Here. And I've been begging for this bishop. I put an order in when Bush was president for this bishop.
Yeah, that is pretty much over.
So now he's running.
I mean, yeah.
Mommy, King F1. you like that? You're like that. King F1. Okay, now let's look at the demographics of the board. If I play my rook down,
Demographics.
he's gonna
Stop
block.
recording.
I'm not recording.
If I play
I'm
my
not.
rook down, he's gonna block, right?
Right.
So I said, here, the mate threat, bishop check, king steps here, followed by mate, the mate threat, and give me the piece. He said, no, I'm gonna lose the piece anyway, so I might as well take a pawn. Very smart, very smart. I said, give me the bishop. He said, let me tickle you, bring your king out front. If you take with the king, I'm gonna discover you with the knight, and I don't know, he thinks he's Christopher Columbus or somebody. That's pawn.
Can I show you my last game?
Now, wait a minute, please. Finish. This is.
I thought it was over.
This is poetry.
It is.
This is poetry in motion.
You step down, I step here.
Step back. Okay. Now. Okay. Now. What did I do?
You wouldn't play this?
You play rook h2.
Oh, rook. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
yeah.
I
Now,
figured-
now, rook h1 is more devastating.
I don't think so.
Okay. All right. I almost said something, but Sam, you gotta stop that stuff.
I mean, you could go rook. Okay.
No, just put it on h2. It's death by
You were
whatever.
there. I couldn't go there. This
Okay.
is wrong.
Okay,
I think that
that's
was-
mate.
What did I do?
No, if he does this, and when you have this, never mind.
Hold it.
The bishop there.
See, there y'all go playing that other chess again.
Can't go there because that's checkmate. But
Okay, Okay, now this is the position,
Some,
right?
some things are a little different.
Okay, so I checked him. I checked him here. He blocked with that night.
Oh, you still got a queen over here?
No, that's a big
My
bit. That's a
queen-
big
my-
bishop.
My queen is there.
You asked one more question.
Yeah, my queen is here. My queen's on
Okay.
this side.
Now, check.
You took it.
If, it,
Check. Oh yeah, I did take it.
if it's not
Check.
your move, you just got mate right here.
I know, yeah, no, yeah, he don't have me.
That's not mate.
That's not me.
He steps over.
Oh,
Well, actually, it is mate.
It's not
He
me.
steps over, and I played queen take knight, and it's mate. Check. Yeah.
Not me.
oh, I see.
Wait. Oh, stop. Bishop take knight. Bishop take knight. Queen take knight. Check. Rook gone. Everything gone.
I mean, hey, you drop everything, but I think the point was that it wasn't me.
It wasn't mate.
All right. Okay, smart ass. Okay. Put the. That's a check. So your king is out of whack. Put the king on the other one. Check. So he steps over there.
Instead of just
Okay.
taking both of these, which I probably should have done.
Yeah. Oh. Now the drive-by. Bishop to B5. Hitting the queen with the rook, threatening a plethora of stuff on the back rank, and this up top,
protecting you.
and this up top check. And what did Jermaine do here? Unexclam. Check. And when he did it, I almost had to call my cardiologist. Hey, I got the whole $100 number. Can you bring cardio in, please?
What you say? I'll call the ambulance, but not for me.
No, wait a minute.
Can you call cardio?
Not what Lewis was having.
The old man call the ambulance,
Lewis
Well, not for me.
but not for me.
You look like Sam.